guys, it's Miss Mayra from the Rogers Public Library. Today I'll be doing hands-on and story time. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make two different sensory bottles. So you will need a type of bottle. It can be a water bottle. You guys have water bottles, but I got these from Amazon. So you will need water and baby oil. For these, I know there's many different ways you can make a sensory bottle, but I'm going to use water and baby oil. And for this one, we're going to use beads. Okay, so we're going to start off with water, and I'm going to fill this halfway. I'm going to use a funnel so I don't make a mess. Okay, about halfway. I think I added a little bit too much, but that's fine. And then I'm going to add some beads for this one. Doesn't matter what color. Let's use more. Okay, and then after that, we are going to add baby oil. I'm gonna try to fill it all the way to the top. Okay. And then we're gonna close it. And you guys can tape the bottle if you guys want, or hot glue the top. And then after that, you can shake it up. And it looks really cool if you try to move it back and forth. You guys can also add glitter. I didn't add any glitter. I just wanted it to be clear with some beads. You can see how cool it looks. Okay, and for this sensory bottle, I am going to use food coloring because we're gonna add color and glitter. But other than that, you still need water and baby oil. Okay, so let's start off with the water. And do it halfway again. And then I'm gonna use blue food coloring. One drop. And I'm actually gonna mix it up to see if I get the blue I want. That looks cool. And then we are going to add glitter. I'm gonna add a little bit. You can add as much glitter as you want, but I'm not adding a lot. And I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, you guys can add more glitter if you want. And you know what? We're gonna add a little bit more. Okay, that looks awesome. And now we are going to add the baby oil. And you can already see how it looks really cool. Okay. Okay, like I said, you guys can use hot glue and glue your top, or you can just use tape so the kids won't open it when they're playing with it. Okay, and then you can stir it up and you can see the glitter. It looks really, really, really cool. You guys can use different colors. I did use blue and blue glitter, but you guys can use any color you want. And I know there's different ways you guys can make a sensory bottle, but I used the one with baby oil. And that's how you make these sensory bottles. Also, I did want to mention that these sensory bottles helps calm you down, de-stress, and also it's really fun to make these bottles. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next week.